Hello YouTube. I'm going to show you how to actually open the Charge Essential portable speaker from JBL. Okay, when I actually search how to open this through YouTube, some of the other YouTubers say that you have to open from the front, where the front is where the logo is JBL is. But I think for this Charge Essential, you have to actually open from the back. Okay, you have to pry open the back first before you can actually open the front. Okay, the reason why I'm opening this is that the right hand side of this speaker sounds muffled, so I want to check what's the problem. Probably to take out the speaker and then replace with a new one. So let's try and do this opening. Okay, first locate the center part of this cover. Okay, you're looking at the back, see where the flap is for charging. Okay, this is the actual portion that you want to actually flip up. So locate the bottom part, center, and then you open up. Okay, same for the other side, center and flip up. Okay, you got it partially open. Now you see these two screws. Okay, using a Phillips head, open the screw, unfasten it. Then you can actually lift up the flap and actually open the back. See, when I open this up, I can actually open the whole thing to show the back portion, okay, of the speaker, and then the front portion. So this I will try to attempt to open later, but first to show that this cover, you can actually see when you actually open the back portion, there is this see, this is the one that catches to the back and snap it in. So make sure that you don't actually break this. This is the back part, so when you open, this is the one that is being pried open first and lift up. Same for the other side, there is a flap, which is this. Okay, so that's how you can see the shell or the cover of the JBL Charge Essential.